Hey guys, how is everybody doing? I hope you are all well. Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler. It's a variation that will be in the BoxyCharm August box. So I'm going to show you what we already know about, and then I'm going to show you the new one. So first, we got the Becca Cosmetics Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. Next is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. You will either get that or the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Next, we have the Wander Beauty Illuminating Glow Ahead Oil. Now, these are going to be two different sets of variations. You will get two of these shadows. The Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. Now, one is going to be Cotton Candy and Iced Latte, or you will receive the Huckleberry and French Vanilla. So, next is the pencil. It is a Steve Laurent Lip Liner. Now for the new one they just revealed. This is the Pure Cosmetics and Barbie collab. It's Glitterly Pink Signature Brightening Peel Off Mask. So as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I will update you guys. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you do want to go check them out. And always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You don't want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.